Welcome to the Daryush Coding, your go-to source for the latest in software development. In this exploration, we will dive into the realm of Java and delve into the latest release, Java 21, discovering how it has the potential to supercharge your Java development. Let's jump right in. First up, we have JEP 430, introducing string templates. This preview feature is poised to simplify the way we create formatted strings, potentially reducing code verbosity and enhancing readability. It's a step towards modernizing Java's string manipulation, and while it's still in preview, it's a feature that could make Java code more expressive. Next is JEP 431, which brings us sequenced collections, where sequenced means to arrange elements in a particular order. The goal is clear: to improve how we handle ordered data structures. This feature adds new interfaces to the current hierarchy, providing an easy way to access the first and last elements of a collection using built-in default methods. Moreover, it provides support for obtaining a reversed view of the collection. Moving on to JEP 439, we see an enhancement to the Z garbage collector with generational ZGC. Enhancing the Z garbage collector with generational ZGC allows for improving application performance by implementing segregated generations for young and old objects. This feature targets the performance of garbage collection for younger generations of objects, which is crucial for applications with high allocation rates. It's a continuation of Java's commitment to improving performance where it matters most. With JEP 440, record patterns are introduced, further refining Java's pattern matching capabilities. This addition will allow developers to destructure records more easily, pairing well with the record classes introduced in Java 16. When using record patterns, there is no need to declare local variables for extracted components. Instead, the components are automatically initialized by invoking the accessor methods when a value matches the pattern. It's a feature that promises to reduce boilerplate and increase code clarity. JEP 441 extends pattern matching to the switch expression. This enhancement not only makes the switch statement more powerful but also more flexible, allowing for more declarative coding patterns and reducing the potential for errors. With the new enhancements, you can explicitly handle null cases within the switch block. This makes the code more robust and eliminates the need for external null checks. The update allows for more flexible use of enums in switch statements. The introduction of guarded case labels, when clauses, in switch blocks allows for more granular control. It's a significant leap forward for Java's expressiveness. The third preview of the Foreign Function and Memory API comes with JEP 442. This API is all about interoperability, providing a pure Java way to interact with code and data outside the Java runtime. The API allows Java programs to call native libraries and process native data without the fragility and risks of JNI by efficiently invoking foreign functions, for example, code outside the JVM, and securely accessing foreign memory not managed by the JVM. JEP 443 introduces unnamed patterns and variables. This preview feature suggests a way to declare patterns and variables without explicit names, potentially leading to more concise code, especially in pattern matching scenarios. Unnamed patterns enable us to match record components without having to explicitly specify their name or type. Additionally, we can incorporate unnamed variables that allow for initialization without requiring their usage. Both are denoted by an underscore character. JEP 444 brings virtual threads to the table. Java 21 brings a major update with the addition of virtual threads. These threads make it simpler for developers to handle tasks that involve waiting for activities such as loading data or receiving user input. Unlike regular threads, these virtual ones don't hog system resources while waiting, which means more tasks can run smoothly at the same time. Creating threads is easy using a method that programmers commonly use. They automatically have standard settings and behave like background tasks, so you don't have to tweak them much. Also, there are some handy tweaks in the Thread API, like a new way to check if a thread is virtual and more straightforward methods for timing and identifying threads. JEP 445 offers unnamed classes and instance main methods. This preview feature aims to make writing and running simple Java programs more streamlined, which could be particularly beneficial for educational purposes and quick scripting tasks. It's a step towards making Java more beginner-friendly. And a short summary for the 6 remaining features. JEP 446 introduces scoped values, a new API for easier context propagation in concurrent applications. The 6th phase of the Vector API with JEP 448 demonstrates Java's ongoing commitment to performance optimization and hardware compatibility. JEP 449 announces the deprecation of the Windows 32-bit x86 port, urging a transition to 64-bit architectures in line with industry trends. JEP 451 aims to enhance security by planning to prohibit the dynamic loading of agents, affecting certain tooling and monitoring solutions. JEP 452 introduces the Key Encapsulation Mechanism API, bolstering Java's security features for developers working on security-sensitive projects. Lastly, JEP 453 brings structured concurrency to the preview stage. This feature simplifies multi-threaded programming by treating multiple tasks as one unit of work. It makes error handling and thread management easier to understand. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at the new features in Java 21. Each of these JEPs represents a step forward for Java, making it a more powerful and efficient language for developers. As always, we'll be keeping an eye on how these features evolve and how the developer community responds to them. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more updates.